Good day, everyone. This is the matter of Bell versus KRUD and Jones. Mr. Bell, it's my understanding from the documents you filed with this court that you are suing KRUD, the radio station, and its DJ for your putting a tattoo on your head. You're asking this court to award you damages of $250,000, future medical of $10,000, pain and suffering of $250,000 for a total award of $510,000. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. So I found out that they were running a contest or promotion, if you will, where the first listener to tattoo the letters KRUD on their forehead would win a $250,000 prize.
What happened?
I found out about this contest, if you'd like to call it that, from a friend that morning, and naturally I was a little skeptical. So what I did to cover all bases was I called the radio station and I spoke with a gentleman who identified himself as one of Cyrus's crew.
Okay.
And he did, in fact, confirm that this offer was legit. He also directed me to the contest page on the station's website. So as you can imagine, I didn't waste any time. I dashed down to the first tattoo parlor I could find that was near my house, and I asked for a rush job on the tattoo, which, by the way, was not cheap. It took a couple hours for.
And you got a tattoo on your forehead?
Yes, sir, I did. This has horribly negatively impacted my life. I lost my job because of this. My girlfriend broke up with me. I wanted to use this money to help save our home. The biggest thing about it is the tattoo laser removal surgery that I'm going to need to have. I can't afford that.
Clearly, this was all a misunderstanding. It was an April Fool's joke.
You all are playing on people who are desperate. We live in desperate times. And the law says if you do a prank, that there's a high likelihood that someone's going to do what you're enticing them to do. They do it and they are harmed. You're bad, but your bill, you must pay for that. And I find against the defendants, and in your favor, I'm going to award $250,000 for your damages, $10,000 for your future medicals, $250,000 for pain and suffering, for a total award of $510,000.
Ridiculous. You don't even deserve it.
That is my final verdict.
You are one of our main
This is a grown man, Your Honor, who
Order in this court.
He's one of our family.
Order in this court. That is my final verdict, and this matter is adjourned.
كذبة إبريل، أي حاجة هقولها في الفيديو ده هي مش حقيقية. 1 إبريل الخضرة، أول إبريل تحويل من التقويم اليولياني إلى التقويم الغرغوري. الناس ما كانوش بيعترفوا في بداية شهر يناير إن دي بداية السنة، لا كانوا بيعترفوا بأول واحد اللي هو 1/4 1 إبريل. ومن هنا جت كذبة إبريل. و1 إبريل هو اليوم المباح للكذب في العالم كله ما عدا الشعب الألماني والأسباني. والأسباني بسبب إن هو يوم ديني، والألماني بسبب إن هو يوافق يوم ميلاد الزعيم الألماني باسمرك، وهو الزعيم بالنسبة لهم كبير قوي، فبالتالي ما بيعترفوش ب1/4. أنا من هنا الفيديو ده هنبدأ في حملة الكذب، إيه هو الكذب وإيه هي أنواع الكذب، وعايزة أعرف آرائكم في الكومنتات إيه اللي بيحصل فيكم يوم 1/4. بتعترفوا بكذبة إبريل ولا ما بتعترفوش بيها؟